In this Figma tutorial, let's take a look at how to blur images. So if you want to blur an image, maybe you're putting some text on it, you don't want it to be so busy. All we need to do is select the image that we want to blur. Come over here into our Design tab, and we actually have an Effects tab. We can add a new effect. Usually it starts by adding a drop shadow effect. We're going to change that effect to Layer Blur. Once we've selected Layer Blur, we can actually click on the Effect settings, and we can adjust the blur amounts. You can type in an amount here, or you can hover over blur and just click and drag right or left to blur more or less. So now you can see just how much we've blurred this image compared to what it was before. And so that's how you can kind of blur images here in Figma. And of course, that effect, you can hide or show that effect at any time. You can adjust the setting. It's a non-destructive effect here. So that works to blur your images here in Figma.